Hey there, fellow curious minds. Welcome back to our channel. Today, we're diving into the world of technology and science to uncover the incredible mystery behind a kitchen essential that we often take for granted, the microwave oven. Ever wondered how this magical box heats up your food in a matter of seconds? Well, you're about to find out. This innocent-looking appliance is hiding some mind-boggling science behind its door. Let's get right into it. To understand how a microwave works, we first need to grasp the basics. Microwaves are a form of electromagnetic radiation, just like radio waves and visible light. But these waves have a special talent: they interact with water molecules. When you pop your food into the microwave, the electromagnetic waves produced by the oven penetrate the food. As they do, they excite the water molecules present in your food. Imagine those water molecules as tiny dancers. The microwave waves make them groove, twist, and turn rapidly, generating heat in the process. But how do we create these special waves? That's where the heart of the microwave comes in: the magnetron. It's like the conductor of this electromagnetic symphony. Inside the magnetron, electrons are accelerated using a high voltage. This acceleration produces microwave radiation, which is then channeled into the cooking area. It's like a mini particle party in there. Now, here's where the real magic happens. Microwaves are unique because they can penetrate the food rather deeply, unlike conventional ovens that heat from the outside in. As the microwaves pass through the food, they're absorbed by the water molecules we talked about earlier. This molecular dance generates heat within the food itself, cooking it from the inside out. That's why your leftovers can be piping hot while the plate remains cool. Now, before you start microwaving everything in sight, let's talk safety. Microwaves are fantastic, but they're not without their quirks. Always use microwave-safe containers to prevent any unwanted fireworks. And remember, not all materials play nice with microwaves, so stay away from anything metal. And there you have it, the science behind the microwave magic. It's like having a tiny scientist right in your kitchen. From reheating your morning coffee to cooking a full meal in minutes, the microwave is truly a modern marvel we can't live without. So, the next time you're enjoying a warm plate of leftovers, you'll know the incredible journey those water molecules took to get there. If you found this video as fascinating as I did, don't forget to give us a thumbs up and hit that subscribe button for more mind-blowing insights into the everyday technologies we love. Thanks for joining me on this electrifying adventure. Stay curious, and I'll catch you in the next video. Until then, keep nuking those snacks responsibly. Subscribe.